I'm Deb Mack, Couture independent designer. Today I would like to show you that you can use our chalk paste as a watercolor. It's pretty cool actually. All you have to do is take a little dab of our chalk paste, put it onto a tray, and here you'll see our Couture trays that we offer, and add a little bit of water to the paste until it's a nice consistency that's thin and watery. Then using a paintbrush, simply brush it onto the surface of your choice. Here I'm using our gift tags that we have. And once that dries, then I'll just take one of our transfers. We have some mini transfers, and what I'll do is chalk that with black and add on the string to tie it on and a couple of beads just to dress it up, and then you'll have this beautiful watercolor tag. Now you can also use this on other surfaces as well, such as a canvas, and those work really great, and then use our transfers over that, whether it's a saying or a beautiful sign.